Today you're finding me on a lonely stretch of the 40, somewhere 40, 50 miles outside of Barstow, California, and I don't know, maybe 30 miles to Needles. Today's weekend mission is to head out into the desert, somewhere out that way, and we're going to find a little hole in the wall. There's a campground out there called, what would you guess? Hole in the Wall Campground. If you answer that correctly, you win. We'll camp there tonight and explore the Mojave National Preserve and kind of see what's out here. It's a beautiful area already. I'm getting out here kind of late today, got a late start. But let's get out and see what the desert has to offer us. Made it to Hole in the Wall Camp. It's a really nice view. This kind of saddle in the mountains right here. I think the actual hole in the rock is out there, which you can't see right now. When I was setting up camp as the sun was setting, I saw a mini arch. I mean, it was a hole in the wall, aptly named, I guess. But it's kind of cool out here. There's like mesas and mountains all around here. It was, when I got here at 4:30, it was like 75 degrees, and like the temperatures dropped probably 15 degrees. It got really cold as soon as that sun went behind that mesa over there. I'm gonna keep hanging out, make dinner. We got a little steak to eat tonight, and then a little cinnamon roll for dessert. I'm just gonna hang out, have a little fire, listen to some audiobook, and then tomorrow we'll go out and explore, and I'll show you around some more. Salt, pepper, and a splash of cayenne. Got the fire going, got a steak cooking, had a little mouse friend joining me. I felt something on my foot, like, yep, that's an animal. I looked looked down, a little mouse looked up at me and scurried off back into the desert. The stars are coming out. Milky Way is right above me. It's super clear. Man, that's awesome. Just seeing that is worth it. It's super cool. Wish you were here. Morning. Survived camp last night. It was a nice night, got cold at first, then it warmed up, the moon came out, it was really nice. People are starting to wake up. I think I was one of the first to get up, turning into my dad, waking up early at camp. But anyway, today I've got a new coffee to try out. Exit stage left. Trader Joe's instant coffee, all dressed up with creamer and sugar. Just add water, ideal for travel. That's me. Let's try this. I feel like this was kind of the crux of all this, actually. Not just to come out here, was to try a new way to make instant coffee. I'll make it up and give it a taste test. Quick wardrobe change. Immediately went from cold to way too hot with all those layers on. Alright, let's try Trader Joe's instant coffee. I don't think you can. It looks like coffee. It's pretty good. It's coffee with cream and sugar. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. A 4 out of 5 because it tastes like diner coffee. It's got that going for it. Alright, we'll drink again. See the master list. Make coffee, check. Pack up camp, gather my trash. Want to go to the visitor center, see if I can get a sticker so I could sticker slap my camp box. I'll show you that later. Pack up, take a lap around camp, and head out to the visitor center and do a little hiking. Ground was harder than it looked. Oh well. Cheapo Walmart tent stakes. For car camping, the Half Dome SL2 Plus
Best camping tent I've ever owned. Camp's packed up. Had a couple cups of coffee. Now I'm gonna go check out the area around here. I'll take a lap, dump trash, walk out into the mountains a little bit. But before I do that, time to do a hat swap and get into desert mode. We left Hole in the Wall campground. Now we're at the visitor center. Gonna go check that out in a minute, get a sticker, slap it on the box. At the trailhead for the Ring Loop Trail, 1 mile. Figure why not? Just kind of see the hole in the wall and head up there, out and around this peak here. End up right back in this parking lot. Kind of go see what's up. It's a cool looking mesa out there. Everything's nice and green right now from all that rain we had in November. So it's pretty to see the desert have some life in it right now. This canyon got interesting. It just turns, you come around the corner and there's just a wall. It's all eroded, full of pockets. There's birds flying around up in there. That's really cool. Maybe hole in the wall is many holes in the wall. That was the Ring Loop Trail here in Hole in the Wall. That was cool. That's definitely worth checking out. A little over a mile, and it puts you at this little Grand Canyon-esque overlook with a hole in the wall. Finished the Rings Loop Trail. that was a lot of fun. It's a cool little mile-long trail. Takes you through a super cool canyon, rings to climb. You can hear the birds crying and chirping in there, and that was a super cool sound. And then it finishes after you go up a few rungs. There's this little overlook, and it just drops straight down. Didn't realize how deep you start at the bottom. And best part about the trail starts right here in the parking lot, loops around, and finishes exactly at the gift shop where it should end. Side note, that gift shop, that is a NCR Ranger outpost if I've ever seen one. Got the sticker to prove we were here. Now we'll stamp that on the camp box. Thinking right there. Mojave National Preserve. So that's it for this part of the journey. Hole in the wall campground. Overall, 5 out of 5. I really liked it. I would definitely come back here. There's so much to explore in the area. There's a bikepacking route called Mojave Solitaire, not the Edward Abbey book. Would recommend reading. Mojave Solitaire that starts here and goes 100 some miles around a big loop through the desert. It's a really good campground. I've been wanting to come out here for a while, and really glad I did. Last minute, spur of the moment journey. I'd come back and explore a little more. There's dirt roads that connect from here to out to Baker. So much to do out here, so much to see. From here, I'm gonna try to drive up the road to Mitchell Cavern and see what that's like. I'm gonna go check that out, and if there's anything worth seeing, I'll show you. Thank you for joining me this weekend. I've been Garrett, you've been you. See you on the next one.